So this presentation is on deciphering the 24-step color wheel. So this brings us up to the point where it's necessary to examine what we have accomplished. We began by creating a 24-step color wheel in which we derived from the same source as the 18-step Munsell. This was based off of our full spectrum color wheel that we created in Photoshop. And this is what we created the hue chroma triangles from. Now if we draw a vertical line to represent our y-axis and another to represent our z and a third to represent our x-axis, we will be in perspective. Now if we impale the full spectrum color wheel on this three-way axis, we can begin to arrange the various hue chroma triangles around the Y column, which is where the grayscale will live. Beginning with color 24 and going around the wheel in reverse order, we have color 23, color 22, color 21, color 20, color 19, and so on. Now as we get around to the back side of the three-dimensional color wheel, the colors are going to give it much more difficult to see unless we were to rotate the color wheel. Into the greens now, the yellow greens, the yellows, the oranges, and finally back to the beginning. So to make this easier to understand diagrammatically, I'm going to lay the color wheel out linearly using this grid and placing the grayscale here, there. Now we can see all of the colors much more clearly. This is the 24-step color wheel matrix and is what I will be using to describe what I want you to do for the final project, number 14. I believe it will make things a lot easier to understand.